A couple of months back, I read Lessons in Chemistry. While there is so much to talk about this brilliant novel, which I will reserve for another day, I wanted to highlight how obsessed I have been with the book's protagonist, Elizabeth Zott. I can understand her. I want to reach out, hug, and comfort her. What is happening here? What makes someone feel for a character, cry for a character? Does your character have the power to make readers think about him for days and weeks after reading about him? Hello, everybody. Welcome to Read, Write, Inspire. I am Archana Sarit, and I want to talk to you today about this method that you can use to analyze the effectiveness of your characters. The two question test. Ask yourself these two questions. If your answer is yes to both, you have a winner character. If not, you need to get back to the writing table. So let us see what are those two questions. Question number one. Is your character facing death? The common theme of every published novel is death and the fight against it. In some instances, this could be death in its literal form. For example, spy thrillers, murders, serial killers, etc. In some novels, this could be death in other forms. For example, the death of fear when a woman decides to stand up against her abusive husband. The death of a career when an accountant decides to give up his job to play the drums. The death of an opportunity when a girl turns down a marriage proposal from her high school sweetheart. The death of sanity as a man fights against depression and anxiety. The form of death could vary. However, your character must be facing the prospect of death. To repeat, question number one. Is your character facing death? Question number two. Is your character fighting for life? What is your character doing? Is he sitting and waiting for death to hit him? Or is he fighting for his life? Remember, your character cannot be a wimp. He has to hunt down the serial killer. He must prove his love to his high school sweetheart. Your accountant must practice his drums till his hands bleed and get so good that we stand up and cheer for him. James Scott Bell says, a novel is the record of how a character, through strength of will, fights against death. A novel is the record of how a character, through strength of will, fights against death. It is important to make sure your novel does that. This week, why don't you try this simple exercise? Choose one character from the novel that you are working on. It could even be a short story. Look at the life of this character from the angle of these two questions and ponder upon this. What death or deaths is your character facing? What other challenges could you throw their way? How are they fighting for their life? Could they do more? Free write for 10 to 15 minutes upon each question. You will come up with a bunch of ideas on making your character stronger and better. Bye for now.